That was cute.
Oh, that's cute.
Little hand up there.
Oh, look at the hands are clear.
The little feet, little toes, little legs. Not so little black parts. Not bothering you?
No, just pushing a little hard.
Cute. You can even see all the separate little bones.
Yeah.
Phalanges.
Phalanges, did you say?
That's what they are.
Yeah.
That's not a phalange.
No, but when you were showing, wasn't it?
Yeah.
In the
No,
hands?
I was just saying, there's another
Is
type
it
of
one part?
appendage.
Another appendage.
That's another appendage, but it wasn't a phalange. It was a very well visible.